In our fast-paced world, sleep is often undervalued, yet it's a cornerstone of mental health. Today we delve into the neuroscience behind restorative rest and its profound impact on our well-being. Sleep comprises multiple stages, each playing a vital role in mental and physical restoration. From light sleep to the dream-rich REM phase, our brains undergo processes crucial for memory consolidation and emotional regulation. Adequate sleep enhances our ability to manage emotions, reducing irritability and stress. Conversely, sleep deprivation can lead to increased negative emotional responses and decreased positive emotions. Chronic sleep disturbances are linked to mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Improving sleep quality has been shown to have a significant positive effect on mental health, including reductions in depression and anxiety. To harness the mental health benefits of sleep, consider establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and limiting exposure to screens before bedtime. Advancements in sleep science continue to uncover innovative ways to enhance sleep quality, offering promising avenues for improving mental health. Join me as I challenge myself to unlock the hidden secrets of better mental health through restorative rest. Today, I want to talk about a concept that I believe has the power to revolutionize the way we approach our mental well-being. Restorative rest. It's not just about getting a good night's sleep, it's about creating a state of deep relaxation and rejuvenation that can have a profound impact on our mental health. We've all been there, feeling anxious, overwhelmed, and burnt out from the demands of daily life. Mental health challenges are on the rise, and it's clear that something needs to change. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking better mental health isn't some fancy new therapy or medication, but rather something much simpler: rest? We're facing an epidemic of exhaustion, with millions of people struggling to get a good night's sleep. And it's no wonder, considering the pace of modern life. We're constantly connected, constantly stimulated, and constantly on the go. But our bodies weren't designed to operate at this level of intensity for long periods of time. When we don't give our minds and bodies a chance to rest and recover, we open ourselves up to a whole host of mental health challenges. Anxiety, depression, mood swings, the list goes on. And yet, so often we're told to just tough it out or push through when we're feeling overwhelmed. But what if we're not just tired? What if we're exhausted? What if our minds and bodies are crying out for a break? That's where restorative rest comes in, a chance to slow down, unplug, and recharge. Restorative rest is about creating space for our minds and bodies to heal. It's about prioritizing sleep quality, practicing mindfulness, and incorporating relaxation techniques into our daily routine. It's about recognizing that rest isn't just a luxury, but a necessity. When we give ourselves permission to rest, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Did you know that during deep sleep, our brains are able to clear out toxic waste that can contribute to mental health challenges? It's like a mini detox for our minds. And when we practice mindfulness, we're able to calm our minds and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation can help to calm our nervous system and promote a sense of calm and clarity. One key insight that I've discovered on my own journey is the importance of setting boundaries. When we learn to say no to commitments that drain our energy and yes to activities that nourish our minds and bodies, we create space for rest and relaxation. It's not about being lazy or unproductive, it's about being intentional with our time and energy. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. What can you do to prioritize restorative rest in your own life? Is it setting aside time for a relaxing bath or practicing mindfulness during your daily commute? Whatever it is, I want to encourage you to make it a priority. Because when we prioritize rest, we prioritize our mental health. In conclusion, restorative rest isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for anyone looking to prioritize their mental well-being. By incorporating simple practices into our daily routine, we can unlock a world of benefits that can have a profound impact on our mental health. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite restorative rest practices? Have you noticed a difference in your mental health when you prioritize rest? Let's continue the conversation. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more mental health tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Prioritizing restorative sleep is a powerful step toward better mental health. Subscribe to The Immortality Code for more insights into optimizing your well-being. This is it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental health and restorative rest. Stay tuned for our next video. We have more exciting topics coming soon.